start this group meeting quick. Lesson 12. I should pull up PSS, huh?
Well, it might be helpful.
Yeah. You know, for you guys being sick, you guys don't sound sick. Like, you know how some people sound like death when they're sick?
I feel like my face is being hit with a hammer, if that makes you feel any better.
I'm not exactly sick, but...
She was just going into hiding. There's a difference.
No, I mean, technically I'm sick, but I'm not actually sick.
You on your period? Is that what you're saying? You have cramps?
No, I'm pregnant.
Oh!
Oh, there you go.
That's so exciting!
So,
Oh, I don't know. You're
growing
sick.
up all day, but...
No, you're sick. I got it. Yeah, you're sick.
So, for right now, I feel fine, but I've been having morning sickness all week.
You just find out?
We found out 3 weeks ago.
Oh, well, congrats. What's your due date?
Don't know yet.
Oh.
But I'm a high-risk pregnancy, so...
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm. So I have my first appointment next week.
Well, that's exciting.
Yeah. Okay.
Pulling SPSS open.
Do we even use SPSS for the group quiz?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Yes.
We do.
We've been using it a lot lately.
That's what the whole second lesson is about. How to do things in SPSS.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Homework. Where did you go? True and true.
Do we have a data set for that first question, or are we just supposed to like enter it
They give
manually?
you the information.
Okay, so we just enter it manually.
So I got 2 for number 3 and then .081 it for 4 if you guys want to work it out.
Okay.
You put this in SPSS?
No, I just did it by hand.
Oh, okay. I don't have the formula. I couldn't see it. I'll pull it up. Hold on.
There you go. That's what.
Okay, you got 2 for 3.
What?
What did you get for 3 again?
2.
Okay, that's what I got.
Because it's T equals D bar over the SD thing and then divided by the square root of the number.
Wait, T equals D bar what?
Plus or minus the specialty thing times SD over square root of n.
I had to like quickly go through the preparation because I didn't have much time before we started this. So I'm like, I have no idea what I'm doing.
Okay.
Is that a Bug's Life?
Yes. You're good.
We watch a lot of movies at our house, and I love Disney, so. Okay.
Wait, we're using the T equals D bar minus 0? Is that the one we're using?
No. We're using this one. You can see it. There.
what I said the first time, and I'm tricking myself.
How many questions are in this? Oh.
Too many.
Man. Okay. Oh wait, this is lesson 12. Oh my word.
Yeah.
I was thinking, okay, I did this lesson like 5 days ago, and I don't know how well I remember it now. Oh goodness.
Three, 4, 1.
So do you put the, what's 4?
4, 7. That. 0.6. 689.
Guys, I don't remember this at all.
9.
Okay, hold on. I'm on starting number 4.
4, 7. Okay. So I think I have the answers through 10.
Overachiever.
Well, you
I'm on
plug it into
4.
SPSS and then everything comes out of SPSS. So it's like
Oh, okay.
at
Okay,
least if
I'm sorry. How do you figure out 4?
So okay. So for 4, what did I do for 4?
I like wrote all these notes down and I don't remember anything there.
Oh, I put it in. You guys remember how I was telling you about that students T distribution applet that I found? Yeah, I put it in there,
Oh.
and then it gave me 0.081.
Mm. Okay. Oh, okay. Chapter 12, Data A.
Yeah, where is that at? Is that in the...
Mm-hmm. It's in the file thing. Get that open now.
I feel like I'm looking at a foreign language because I did this Tuesday morning. So I'm like, I don't remember.
I had the hardest, I just had the hardest time with 13, and so I'm just, off my rocker right now.
Yeah, 13 was kind of intense.
I'm probably going to spend another, 2 or 3 hours on that one.
Yeah, for, the next test and stuff.
I mean, for the homework. That's due tonight.
Oh, man. So this one, when we figure out up to 10, I just want to remember, you go to Analyze, Compare Means, and then you do Paired Sample Test, right?
That's for 13.
Oh. We don't go to one sample t-test. Is it independent?
That's 13 too. I think it's just one sample t-test.
Yeah, but the
Because you're doing it of the difference.
Hold on. What are you guys doing?
From 5
Not
to
the
10,
correct thing, apparently.
What?
the chapter 12 data set A, don't you, when you open it up, don't you just go to
Paired sample t-test.
Yeah.
wait, you gotta do what?
Paired sample t-test.
Yeah, that's what I said.
I thought you were saying to do the...
Doesn't matter.
Well, in here it says make a column of differences in SPSS, but he said that we didn't have to if we use the other option.
So we put variable 1, pair 1, and group 1 in that. Does that make sense? Here, I'll show you. Wait, I just want to make sure I know what I'm doing.
So the probability of being greater than 2.
So do we put group 1 here, and then do we put group 2 here?
Okay, I think 4 might be 0.040.
Okay.
Because it's asking the probability of being greater than 2. Oh wait, no, it says it right there. So... I don't know, that question's a little weird. I don't quite understand what it's asking. I might be overthinking it.
The probability of being greater than 2.0 is 0.0403. Use HA to determine the p-value.
So use the alternative hypothesis. So that would be the difference of, right? So we're looking for the difference, which would be the 2t test, which would be 0.081. I guess.
Which is what you have.
Right. Okay. Don't listen to me anymore. Except for when I give you the answer.
Okay.
Okay, so for 5, have you guys put it in yet?
I'm
trying to
still working on it.
So you go to, this is what I'm trying to figure out. I can't remember.
You go to Analyze, Compare Means, and then down at the bottom says Paired Sample T-Test.
Analyze, Compare Means, yeah. And
Paired,
then, so
Paired Sample T-Test.
This is what my question was. I'll show you. Okay, so my group.
That's if you're doing. Hold on, you're doing that if you're not making the difference column.
Yeah, I mean, we can if you guys want, but
Leanne,
I already did, so I was just making sure I'm not following you.
you put group 1 in the variable 1.
Yes.
Group 2 in the
variable 2.
Right here, over here.
Okay, I'm not seeing all of your screen. Like, I'm not seeing where you're putting that in. It goes right next to it.
Okay. Let me see if it's showing. Oh, what a stupid screen share. Oh. Can you see it now?
No.
What a dumb stupid thing. Whatever.
Oh, look, you're no longer presenting.
Yeah, it wasn't working.
Okay.
Okay. And then press OK.
You guys
So
getting
Rebecca?
like -31?
Okay, and I got
Right,
31.
something.
31.025 is what I got.
Okay, that's what I got too.
Oh, 0.025?
31.025.
Okay.
I just got it negative, but it shouldn't matter.
Right. And for 6, I got 341.157.
Yep, that's what I got.
Yep.
And then the test statistic says it's 0.407.
341.157, right? I didn't want to look again.
Yes.
Okay. So is the test statistic T then? Is it 0.40?
Yeah. I think so. That's what I used on the other stuff. Anyways.
It is.
And then for the p-value, I got 0.689.
Is this a one-tailed or two-tailed? It's two-tailed. Okay.
It's
Two-tailed.
two-tailed.
Hey, Michael.
And then, so if the number is bigger than the test statistic or the level of significance, we fail to reject it, right?
Right.
Yeah, because
Okay.
if it's lower, you reject the null. So if it's higher,
Okay.
you fail to reject it.
So you failed to reject it for 9, and then you failed to reject it for 10.
Okay. Okay, now we have to make a column of differences
On this,
on 11 through 18.
and that's a different data set.
The same data set, isn't it? Oh, nope.
No.
It's data B.
Okay.
Good try, Maggie.
I know. I do try. I'm so glad this week is almost over, you guys. I
too.
had to kill myself. Okay, not really, but you know.
I think we all understand.
So busy.
Okay.
Degrees of freedom. 11 would be N.
How do you do a column of differences?
You go to transform. And then compute variable. For the target variable, you're typing in differences. And then you're going to go to move group 1 over, and then hit the minus sign, and then move group 2 over.
I vaguely remember doing this. Oh, yeah. Okay, I remember this. Wow, my brain. I feel like I'm coming back from summer vacation. You know, like, back in the day, you feel like you forgot everything.
So for 11, N should be greater because degrees of freedom is always 1 less than N.
I am still opening the data set, guys.
Oh, well.
It didn't pull up the first time.
So you think it's degrees of freedom is bigger?
No, N.
Oh, and
Because degrees of freedom is N minus 1.
oh, right.
Eat 2 muffins with her.
So do you take that other information and you, for 12?
So because we did the differences,
You do
instead of doing a paired, because we did the differences column, instead of doing a paired sample t-test, you're going to go to analyze, compare means, and then 1 sample t-test, and then you'll hit the differences column.
Okay, that's what I thought. I wasn't quite sure. Okay. So the p-value is 0.001.
Yes. So it's less than, so we reject it, right?
Is alpha 0.05?
Well, no, it says for 12, it says your alternative hypothesis is that, and then it says, and you use a level of significance of 0.01.
Oh.
What is the p-value?
Yeah, so we filtered it.
No, we would reject it, right? Because it's smaller than? Isn't 0.001 smaller than 0.01?
Yes. My brain is not working. Leanne, how are you sick and working figuring out? And I don't feel fit.
My motivation is I have to get a higher grade in statistics than my sister did so I can rub it in her face.
Oh, gotcha. None of my sisters have ever taken statistics, so I'm already ahead of them there.
It's greater than, and you keep the same level of significance. So,
Time you use.
Hold on.
21.001 equals point. So
For
I got
11.
0.49961. So how does that round up? 0.500? Wait,
I'm
did the
confused what you did to even do that.
Okay, so it gives you the p-value, or the... Actually, I don't think that's right. Hold on.
Are you in 14?
3.
Rebecca, do you have the answers for 11 and 12?
No.
Okay.
Because I finally got this stupid thing open.
I lied. It's 0.00061, so 0.001.
Is
So the p-value...
So it's 0.01? It did
0.001. 0.001 to... Okay, so for the two-tailed, it's 0.01215.
I don't even know what question you guys are on.
Okay.
14.
Rebecca, 11 is N.
Mm-hmm.
12 is 0.001. 13 is reject the null. And that's it.
Okay, so the two-tailed p-value is 0.001215, and then the p-value for greater than, like the alternative hypothesis is greater than, is 0.00061.
Okay.
So we just have to tell if it increases or decreases.
So it decreases, right?
I'm sorry, I just heard I'm a cute little bumblebee.
I think it decreases. I think you are accurate.
Because we're dividing it.
Right.
Okay,
And
I am so confused on where you're getting all your numbers.
She's in the SP, yeah.
Okay.
So it gives us the t statistic value, whatever t value, and the degrees of freedom, and it gives us the p-value of it being two-tailed. So then I just used my applet and typed in all the right information, and then instead of making it two-tailed, I made it greater than, which is what the new hypothesis wants.
Right.
And that's where that number came from.
Okay, because it's not one-tailed. Okay, or it is one-tailed.
Right.
So
And
14
since the level of significance is the same, we would still reject it because it's smaller still, right?
Yes. P is low, reject the null.
Depends on setting aside the data in this problem, do you think a general rule can be made? Which alternative hypothesis will have the smallest p-value?
So we're rejecting the null.
0, 1, 2,
Yeah.
5.
What's
0, 0, 0,
increase or decrease?
6, 1, and 3.737, and less than.
Shouldn't it be A and C? Because they're the same, just the opposite tails.
3.
It won't let you say 2.
9. No, because if the p-value for A is 0.0061, like we just figured out, then the p-value for C would be 0.99939.
Well, it says set aside the data. Do you think the general rule can be made? But if it's two-tailed, so just completely ignoring the data, if it's two-tailed, then it's both sides, both tails. If it's
right, but it
oh,
said,
I see what you're saying.
I would have to say that it would be not enough information, because sometimes C would be higher than A. Well, that's not true. Maybe the difference one is the smallest, as a general rule.
No, because the difference one is two-tailed and the other two are one-tails.
Is this something you learned?
I think it depends. There's not enough information.
I think that it depends. That's the only thing I can think of, because
I feel like that is like a really cryptic question.
Well, the thing is, if the alternative hypothesis is asking for the greater, and say, for it being greater than the mean, and it's 0.1, well, then the other one is going to be 0.9. But if it's asking for the less, and for some reason it puts it in and we get 0.2, then the other one's going to be 0.8, because it's just the opposite. Does that make sense?
Yeah, that's what I was saying. I just think it's not enough information.
Yeah, it's either not enough information or it's B. I mean, that's the only thing that I could think of.
But I don't think it's B.
And I don't know, so...
The only reason why I would say B is because the two-tailed is usually small, but it depends, because it's going from both T values out, whereas the other one is going from a T out or a T up.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
It just depends on what the T value is.
Right, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
So I think we should go with D on that one.
Okay.
And
Sorry.
Did
we do increase or decrease?
17.
Increase or decrease?
14, I think we put decrease.
Okay. I
Yeah.
just want to make sure I got it right. Okay.
Because we're dividing.
Okay.
So 17 is 5.303.
No, I didn't round it.
Okay.
And 18 is 18.07.
Right.
Yeah.
And 15 is A, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry.
We got 100.
Oh, good.
So we got everything right after all that.
Oh my gosh. My brain is not functioning at all.
We're special.
Very.
Just imagine how the next one's gonna be.
I know. Oh.
Okay, next
Today when I
one.
was at the temple, I screwed up a bunch of stuff with my dress, and the lady was like, "Do you ever have those days where you wish you think you shouldn't have gotten out of bed?" And I was like, "Yeah." And then she said, "Is today one of those days for you?" So someone else is pointing it out that doesn't even know me. I'm like, I'm an idiot.
That's awesome.
Clearly it's lingered on the rest of the day.
Okay.
It was really funny.
What requirements to be checked when conducting a hypothesis test comparing two means with independent samples? Distribution of sample. Okay, so have you guys gone into
Chunky. There's not that many. Oh, there's.
Have you guys gone into the 13 quiz yet?
Yes. Is it C for 3?
Yes. No, it's
C.
is
D.
D. Yeah, A and B.
A and B. Yeah. Sorry, I just said the wrong number. I already clicked on the question. I had it covered.
Two means with independent samples. T distribution. So T score is 4.
Um, 5 is B.
Yeah.
Okay, dentist office bills is what we need to open next. Why can't they tell us that before the quiz starts?
I don't know. It's really annoying. You hear that, teacher? You should have that written on the pre-page thing. That you're ever going to get this far into our information.
Wait, what are we opening?
Dentist office bills.
I overlooked it the first time. It's like, where'd it go?
Okay. This data represents a simple random sample of dental bills at a dentist office in Idaho and a dentist in Rexburg.
I'm still opening it.
Random story about a dentist in Rexburg. My
Okay.
son went to go get a cavity filled at a dentist in Rexburg, and he drilled into her tongue. End of story.
Are you talking about one of your children?
No, one of my friends. Happened to her.
Oh, okay. I'm like, what?
Hey, she got a free filling that day.
Why is that so funny?
It's
kind of funny.
Because it's kind of a freak accident and not really something you hear very often. Anyway.
How did I just do this?
So, when we start the dental bill thing, don't we gotta go to transform?
Automatic recode.
Oh, goodness.
Where does that say that?
It's down towards
right
the bottom.
Okay. And then we do the city, right?
Yes.
What's the new name?
This is different than when I just did it.
Can we just put whatever as the new name, or is there a specific thing we're supposed to do?
No, I don't think it matters.
Uh-oh. I think because I have an illegal character in it. That's
Mine are usually spaces. I always forget.
Okay. So okay.
How did I do this last time?
Are we still on 6?
I think so.
Okay, because we're just trying to figure it out.
I don't know. Knowing Leanne, she's done like 12 problems already.
So what, there's like 40 samples?
Yes. Okay,
So
I have
degrees of freedom
coded
39.
thing. So then do you do a one sample t-test again, or is it? No, it's not that. Never mind.
Independent sample. You're going to independent samples t-test.
And then you're going to do the renamed one, right?
Yes. And
In
for
the variable, and then what goes in the grouping variable?
Oh wait, no, I lied. You're doing the dentist bill as the test variable, and the grouping variable is going to be the renamed one. And then you're going to hit defined groups. And so I'm just going to put group 1 and group 2. So Idaho Falls for me would be group 1. And then Rexburg would be group 2.
Oh wait, hold on. We're doing the paired sample t-test?
No, the independent samples
t-test. T-test. Never mind. You're right.
Okay, my computer's not letting me type.
And the dentist bill is the test variable, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so what are you supposed to do if it won't let you type into the group names?
I don't know what you're...
The group names, like when you do define groups and you're supposed to put the group name, it won't let me type.
I would just close out of it and try to open it again. Okay, so DF is 38, right?
I'm not sure.
We go to independent samples t-test, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Here. Yeah, mine's not letting me rename it, therefore it won't let me use it at all.
It's pretty much the same. So, this is two-tailed. We're not looking for two-tailed. We're looking for... So the degrees of freedom would be 38.
Mm-hmm.
I think.
I mean, that's what I got.
Sample standard deviation is...
I got 206.637.
Yes.
Mine still won't let me put names in. Oh. This is group 1, I have to put numbers in. What numbers did you guys put in?
Where are you at? I don't know where you're at.
Okay, I'll show you. I'm trying to still pull up like the independent test sample. Tell me if you can actually see the screen.
Yeah.
Give me 1 second. I'm trying to figure it out. Okay. Okay. This one. There. Okay, do you see this?
No, it's showing your face.
I see your face.
What the? I hate technology. Share. Okay, now is my face gone?
Yes. Nope. That's back.
What the heck? I'm so tired of struggling. Okay, present to everyone. Okay, there we go. Do you see this right here?
I see your quiz.
Oh my gosh.
I find that's funnier than it should be.
I think it's because we're all tired. Okay.
Got it.
Present to everyone. It's still giving me only half a screen. I don't know why. You can't see it. No!
I can see your SPSS window.
Yeah, but can you see my mouse moving around?
Mm-hmm.
You can?
Yeah.
Okay. So I go into define groups. Can you see where it says group 1?
Okay, so it must have frozen because I can only see your screen. Like, I can only see the...
Frustration.
Okay, like, I see where it says Idaho Falls 327-1.
Okay.
Down to where it says 511 Rexburg 2.
Yeah, I have the independent t-test set brought up, but it's not showing it to you guys, and I don't know why. Oh, well, whatever. I don't know what I'm doing around here.
Well, do you want me to try? Just to show you what I did?
I'm doing. So you go to Analyze, Compare Means, Independent Test Sample, Dentist in the Test Variable, Recoded one in the Grouping Variable, right?
Yes, and then you have to click on Define Groups.
Okay,
Did you do that?
In the Define Groups part, you guys just put a bunch of numbers in?
Just 1 and 2. So for Group 1, just put 1. For Group 2, just put 2, and then hit Continue.
Oh. Wow, that was so much easier. I'm really struggling today. And then press OK, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at that. Okay. Thanks.
Okay. We got that covered. So which one are you on, Maggie? Which question?
7.
Okay, so if you look for the sample standard deviation, it should be the same for both. No, for you didn't look for Rexburg.
Doing for Rexburg. So it would be 206.637? Right?
Yeah, that's what I got. And Leanne agreed with me earlier, so we're good.
Okay, and the test... So they're the same, so it's negative 0.434.
That's what I got.
Value. It's a one-tailed test. This is one-tailed, right? So do I have to divide it?
Yeah, by 2. So it's 0.666, right, for the two-tailed?
Yeah.
So it's 0.333.
Yeah.
For 10 and 11, I got B.
Yes. Wait.
Because they're still greater than.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay. Right. Okay.
And for 12, I got B.
And 13 was B, or sorry, 11 was B?
Yeah, because it'd be 0.666.
Oh, right.
Which is still greater than 0.01, I think is what it was.
Okay.
Okay, so now we have to open up Freshman Diner.
Well, 12 is B. That you can answer without that being open.
Yeah, but you already gave that to us, so we have to open it now.
Okay. Diner.
SPSS is so slow.
Okay, so have you guys watched the videos for 13 yet?
No.
Part of them.
Do you know when we're supposed to use the top line or the bottom line
What?
for the independent samples test? Because the numbers on this time are different, so do we use... They're not the same like last time.
Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about. Are you in the Freshman Diners data set?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm still waiting for mine to open because it's slow.
Hold on. I am trying to compute it all.
There it goes. Okay, so what are you asking?
So underneath the group statistics box, it has the independent samples test box. How do we know when to use the top set or the bottom set of data? Because the last one we did, they were the same.
Okay, I
But
still
this
don't know
one
where you
is different.
I just opened the data set. I haven't done anything to it. What have you done so far?
I've inputted it and changed the stuff and got it all so we have the answers.
So we need to do the automatic recode thing again?
Yeah.
Okay, let me do that really fast. And then we do analyze, compare means, independent sample means, or independent sample t-test? Is that what we're doing?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now what are you asking? Your question is in this window?
Oh yeah, they are different. Right. So she's saying that, you know, there's the group statistic and then the independent samples test, and how it gives two numbers, one on the top and one on the bottom. They're different. So how do you know which one to use?
I still don't know where you guys are.
When they're different, do we use the bottom one?
I don't know.
What window are you guys in? I'm totally lost with you.
When you have it all computed out,
Okay.
you have all your t-test scores and stuff,
Yeah.
it should give you two different number sets in the grouping or in the independent samples test. That's
Okay. So use the top one.
for sure.
Yeah, because this bottom one is equal variance is not assumed.
Oh,
So use the top.
okay.
I think.
The only problem is for the homework, like for the preparation assignment, they used the bottom one, and I don't know why.
Alright.
Well, I was totally lost in the preparation assignment, so for 13.
Like, I got the answers, and I computed it the way that they did, but they chose to use the bottom one, but they were different. So that's why I'm wondering if they're different, we use the bottom number, like the bottom set of data.
I've just been using the top.
You went down?
Huh.
Are you alone? Are you alone?
have that. Does it say anywhere in the textbook?
Here, let me just check out the video really fast.
Because we'll have all the answers to everything else we need as soon as we have that.
Okay. Don't need that, don't need that. Okay, so towards the end.
Okay, listen, it says, in this course we will always conduct the analysis using the equal variances not assumed row.
Okay, so I'll just the bottom.
It says it right in the textbook.
Right, which doesn't make sense because, well, see, it does make sense because all the answers we had last time were pretty much the same. So it didn't matter which line we used.
But the textbook says this time to always use the bottom.
Right. So, which is why I'm saying when we did it on the last one, it didn't matter.
Yeah. So it's going to be negative 0.845.
Yes, and then 0.414.
The p-value?
0.410. Sorry.
P-value is negative 0.845.
No.
No, the t value is
The T, not P. T as in Tom.
Yeah.
Aurora?
I was like, no, it's not.
Negative 0.5.
Aurora Joy.
So p-value, it's not two-tailed, so or it is two-tailed.
So it's 0.410,
Right.
and then we fail to reject it because it's higher than the level of significance. And then 16 is negative 5.137. And then 17 is 2.204.
Yep.
Yeah, that's what I got.
So we're done with that one?
Yeah.
That wasn't as bad as I thought it would be.
It's really not once you know how to put it into the system.
Yeah.
Like when I've started doing, like when I've done notes on the videos, I make sure I write down what like the steps in SPSS.
Yeah.
So when I look at my notes to do the homework and preparation and stuff, I can just pull it right from my notes.
Have we sent it in? Do we know if we got 100?
Yes, we got 100.
Boom. Yeah, baby.